10 Best Sources of Protein. Hello, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon. Today I will be showing you 10 best sources of protein. Do you know your protein foods? Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. Only animal foods such as meat, seafood, and dairy products contain all the essential amino acids that humans need in one package. That's why they're called complete proteins. But you can also meet your protein needs through beans, grains, nuts, and seeds. Here are some animal and plant foods that provide plentiful protein. 1. Fish. Fish is a healthy, lean source of protein. A 3-ounce portion provides about 25 grams of protein. That's more than half of the 46 grams that a woman needs each day. 2. Poultry. An ounce of chicken or turkey has about 8 grams of protein. A single chicken thigh provides about 1/3 of the 56 grams of protein that men need each day. 3. Meat. Beef, pork, and lamb are high in protein, but they can also be high in fat. Choose leaner cuts and trim the visible fat. An ounce of meat contains 8 to 10 grams of protein. 4. Cottage cheese. Ounce for ounce, cottage cheese has more protein than milk. 1/2 cup of low-fat cottage cheese contains 14 grams of protein. And it's not just for salads. Add cottage cheese to pasta dishes, dips, and even pancake batter to bump up the protein content and taste. Can't handle the lumps? Try its creamier cousin, ricotta cheese, instead. 5. Soybeans. With their taste, nutrition, and versatility, beans are a vegetarian's best friend. 1/2 cup of cooked dried beans, such as pinto, black, and kidney beans, contains about 8 grams of protein. Soybeans, however, are a standout, providing 14 grams per half cup. 6. Greek yogurt. This especially thick and creamy variety has more protein than regular yogurt. A 6-ounce container of non-fat Greek yogurt contains an impressive 17 grams of protein. 7. Pumpkin seeds. Walnuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, and other nuts and seeds are a healthy addition to your diet. They typically contain 4 to 6 grams of protein in an ounce. Pumpkin seeds are especially rich in protein, however, providing more than 8 grams per ounce. 8. Cheese. Whether you choose Swiss, cheddar, mozzarella, or another favorite, cheese is a good source of protein. A 1-ounce slice provides about 7 grams. 9. Eggs. With 6 grams of protein and only 72 calories, eggs are a nutritious little package. Although the yolks are high in cholesterol, eating an average of 1 egg a day can be part of a healthy diet. 10. Quinoa. Grains aren't particularly rich in protein, yet they can help meet your daily protein needs. Quinoa, an ancient grain from the Andes, is higher in protein than most grains. A cup of cooked quinoa has 8 grams of protein, twice the amount in a cup of rice. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, comment and share, and also give us a thumbs up.